She's going out to check on the bird feeder today. I think the squirrels are out, if you can see them. The bird feeder today. Yeah, look at the bird feeder today. The squirrels. Look like, my husband might have fixed it. But the squirrels are eating from the bird feeder. How cool is that? I caught them. That is so cool. Good morning. I pray y'all having a wonderful day. Oh, God bless each of you. And remember to feed the birds and the squirrels there. Yeah, he's still walking around, peeping at me. Can you see him? Boop, going on. How cool is that?